Breakups suck. Whether it's a relationship, a friendship, a job, or even a dream you had to let go of, that feeling of loss, it's real. And it hurts. That empty space where someone or something used to be. Yeah, I know it well. But here's the thing. Loss is part of life. And Stoicism, it's not about pretending we don't feel it. It's about how we respond to it. The Stoics teach us that we don't control everything. We don't control who stays, who leaves, or what happens tomorrow. But we do control our response. And that's where your power is. So, after the breakup, act like this. 1. Don't chase, don't beg, don't crumble. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this and you will find strength. That person who walked away, that thing that didn't work out, that's outside of you. Let it go. 2. Sit with the pain, but don't let it own you. Feel it. Let it sting, but don't drown in it. Crying doesn't make you weak. It makes you human. But eventually you wipe your tears, you breathe deep, and you stand back up. Not because it doesn't hurt anymore, but because you decided you're more than what left you. 3. Don't romanticize the past. Remember this, if it was truly meant to stay, it would have. Seneca said, "What need is there to weep over parts of life?" The whole of it calls for tears. Translation? Life's tough. There's no point pretending it isn't. But getting stuck in the what-ifs and maybes, that's a trap. Live in the present, because that's all you ever really have. 4. Build yourself quietly. This is where the Stoic magic really happens. Not in revenge, not in rebounds, but in becoming so grounded, so unshakable, that nothing outside of you can break what's inside of you. Hit the gym, read more, sleep better, breathe slower. Not to prove anything to anyone, but because you deserve peace. 5. Accept and move forward. Epictetus said, "Don't seek for everything to happen as you wish it would, but rather wish that everything happens as it actually will. Then your life will flow well." This means stop resisting life. Accept what happened, not because it was fair or painless, but because resisting it only multiplies your suffering. Look, your story isn't over. This is just a chapter, and you're still the main character. So act like it, not with coldness, but with courage, not with bitterness, but with clarity. Let go, not because it didn't matter, but because you matter more. So after the breakup, don't act broken. Act like someone who just remembered who they are.